Hey everybody, how you doing today? This is Greg Garrett down at the Museum of the Coastal Bend. And as you can see, I've got the Watch It Grow Spring Break Kit sitting right here by me. So this is going to be a quick video on what you need to do once you get this kit and how to enjoy it. First thing you got to do, look inside. All right, so you're going to see that inside we've got some written instructions. So if you're not able to see my pretty face, then you've got written instructions right there on what to do. And then start pulling everything out. So we're going to have our biodegradable Jiffy Pot. We got our black-eyed pea seeds. We've got our pinto bean seeds. And of course, we got to have some dirt. So, and we included a little goodie for you, a little bracelet action. I'm going to put that back in there so we don't lose it. So this is real easy. Now parents, you might want to spread something out on your table so that way you don't get quite as much dirt on if you happen to be at the kitchen table or wherever. Or if you can sit outside at a picnic table or something outside, that would be even better. And you don't have to worry about cleaning it up. You can just brush it out onto the ground. So basically all we're going to do today is we're going to take the dirt that's in the bag. We're going to take our Jiffy Pot. Don't worry about getting messy, guys. It's spring break. We're having fun. We're getting dirty. We're outside. We're active. And we're learning. So basically, you're going to put your dirt right there into your biodegradable pot. And now the cool thing about this is you can get one started here. But if mom or dad has a spot outside, what I would suggest, since we ended up with so many seeds in each packet, is start yourself a little black-eyed pea and pinto bean garden. You can probably grow enough from the seeds that we've provided here to actually create a dish for one night at dinner or maybe a weekend lunch or something. So think about that. Think about maybe putting the seeds outside in the garden or in maybe a stand-up garden area, a raised bed, that type of thing. Something with a trellis so that these can climb, because these are legumes and they do like to vine and climb. So to get them started, let's pour out a few black-eyed pea seeds. I think I've got, 6 here. I got a half dozen seeds. So you're gonna be able to do a lot of planting. Just drop them in there, space them out. I would push it in maybe about a ½ inch or so below the surface. Cover that up. Let's slide one more in. Maybe do it at 12, 3, 6, 9, and 12. I think 4 seeds would be a good start in here, and then we'll put one right into the middle. That way you're going to have 5 opportunities at a plant growing. Now, once the plant begins, and you see it begin to sprout up out of the dirt, you can actually take this entire Jiffy Pot, dig a hole into the ground, place the Jiffy Pot down into the ground, and bury it just like you would be planting a plant. This is going to biodegrade. It's going to degrade into the dirt. All right, so we don't have to worry about anything being left in the soil that's going to hurt the soil. But we don't want to do that until we see the sprouts coming out from our black-eyed peas or our pinto beans, whichever we've planted here. Now, if y'all could do me a huge favor and keep an eye on what you've planted, and as it begins to grow and it begins to poke through the dirt, take some pictures of it. Take some pictures, send it to my email at gregory.garrett@victoriacollege.edu, or call me and let me know, and we'll try and find a way to get your pictures on our Facebook page so that everybody can kind of follow along your adventure of growing a plant. But the main thing is to learn about agriculture, to learn about the life of a plant, the life cycle of a plant, getting your hands dirty, getting your fingers into the soil, okay? Immersing yourself into learning and having fun outside. So if you're following along with me right now and you're putting these seeds in that dirt, then you've obviously figured out what these spring break kits are all about. I hope you have a bunch of fun. Contact me if you can. Happy spring break, everybody.